everybody is these days focused on a weight loss diet. So let me give you some very simple tips about how to lose weight. And yes, it is extremely important to know weight loss is always through correct eating, correct nutrition, and fitness gain is always through exercise. So as you all know, I am a proponent of intermittent fasting. So the first thing I would ask you all to do is to start with at least a 12 or 14 hours of intermittent fasting. So after 14 hours of a complete fast, and what are the things you can have in your in the period of fasting? You can start with a glass of lukewarm water, apple cider vinegar and a little pinch of cinnamon added to that water is extremely beneficial. You can also have black coffee that actually helps in the fat loss, it boosts the metabolism. And green tea, you can have your green tea. Please do not add sugar. Now, when we break the fast, let me just tell you a sample plate for your breaking the fast plate. For those who are non-vegetarians, it's like a couple of eggs of omelette or bhurji cooked in a little bit of olive oil or in ghee or butter. You can even add a little bit of cheese on it for extra flavoring, and a bowl of curd with it, some sauteed vegetables. And for vegetarians, like what I ate today, it would be a nice big bowl of sauteed paneer with lots of seasonal vegetables thrown in, of course cooked in either ghee or olive oil. You can have a nice big bowl of curd. You can put in your seeds, you can put in chia seeds, and you can also have chaat, you can have coconut water, and of course you can just have a plate of sauteed vegetables by the side as well. Mushrooms are extremely good for both vegetarians and non-vegetarians. You can add mushrooms to your breakfast plate. Sauteed mushrooms are very well. Now it comes to your lunch. Please avoid a high carbohydrate lunch. Something like moong dal chila with some paneer in it, or a little bit of some, the non-vegetarians can have a bit of fish or a bit of chicken and some salad along with it. And nowadays it's summer, so a big nice tall glass of cold chaach, and that is your adequate amount of lunch. Now when we come at 4 or 5 o'clock, we do feel a little peckish. So here we can again take something like curd. I'm very fond of curd, so I always advocate curd. You can also take a handful of peanuts, you can take some almonds, you can have some walnuts, you can have coconut pieces. You can actually make coconut and hunker dips and keep it in your fridge, and use your finger food like chopped cucumber and sauteed carrots, sauteed cauliflower, and you eat them with your dips. So those will be very healthy snacks. And then please remember to have an early dinner. You can add complex carbs to your dinner, to your early dinner. Make it a point, the dinner has to be early. So try to finish eating by 7:30. And here we will give you a bowl of maybe chola, maybe rajma, maybe just dal. You can have 3 to 4 tablespoons of rice, brown rice, quinoa, any of besan chila, a moong dal chila, any of these things. Again, you can have some curd along with it, and protein in the form of either chicken, either fish, or paneer. So this is how your dinner plate should look like. Post dinner, remember to at least walk for 45 minutes. So switch off your television screens for a while and go out and take a nice walk after dinner. Remember to supplement yourself with multivitamins, especially B12, folic acid, and magnesium in the form of magnesium glycinate. And of course omega-3. So these are the important supplements. One important point, remember to hydrate. Water together with electrolytes in the form of salt. So you can just have your pinch of pink salt or normal salt, and coconut water. Coconut water is really good for the heat wave which we have been facing these days. So hydration, definitely that should be there.